Throw away every top AI list you've ever seen. Because in 2026, the AI world is changing every single hour. I tested everything to find the 5 tools that will actually change your life. These are not toys. They're the new rules. By the end of this, you'll know the 5 tools you need to win. And you won't believe number 1. You use it daily, but only at 1% of its power. Number 5 is the cheat code for programmers, Cursor. This AI code editor changes everything. Forget hours debugging. Cursor understands your entire codebase. Highlight code and tell it, make this faster, or what's this bug? It doesn't just find the error, it writes the fix. It turns coding into a super fast conversation. Number 4 is Google's heavyweight, Gemini. AI's old limit was memory. Gemini destroys that with a context window of 2 million tokens. That's like reading a library in 1 second. Give it yearly financial reports and ask for every risk and opportunity. For massive analysis, Gemini is unbeatable. We're hitting the top 3. To stay ahead, smash that subscribe button now. Don't get left behind. Let's go to number 3. Number 3 is Microsoft Copilot. We've all wasted hours in PowerPoint and Excel. Copilot gives that time back. It's a genius AI layer in Microsoft 365. Give it a Word doc and say, make a PowerPoint from this with notes. Boom, done. In Excel, tell it to find trends and make charts. If you use Microsoft, you need this. Number 2 changes creative work, Claude. Its feature artifacts turns chat into a live creation space. Chat on one side. It builds on the other. Say, build me a website, and one appears. Then say, go dark mode, and watch it happen. It's like magic. Absolutely insane. Number 1 in 2026. The king is still the king, ChatGPT. It stays on top by never stopping getting smarter. New models think deeper, making breakthroughs in math and coding. It's a beast combining text, voice, and images. No other AI has this power, versatility, and reasoning. So there you have IT. 5 AI tools dominating 2026. Cursor for coding. Gemini for analysis. Copilot for saving time. Claude for magic building. ChatGPT as the reasoning king. Try one and watch it change your life. Which one first? Comment. Smash that thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks.